Yeah, good morning everybody. Yeah, on this video we're going to be learning on how to reduce your lot size. Binary recently they increased their lot size. The lowest lot size you can use on boom and crash is no longer 0.10 but 0.20. But I have a strategy of reducing that lot size to even 0.01. Okay, now just going to jump into the tutorial. It's very simple. Okay, just follow along. Now I'm going to open my MT5. Okay, I have ongoing trades. Okay, let me just remove this trade so I can see. Let me cut them on profit. Let me close this one on profit since yesterday. Okay, good. Now I'll go to my boom and crash. On the boom 1000, I click on charts to place a trade. Now I'm going to place a trade. Now check. I want to look at the lowest lot size here. I will claim is 0.20. Look at where I'm touching here. I'm referring to this point here. The lowest you can use is 0.20. Okay, you can't reduce it. If you want to increase it, you can only increase it by clicking here or here. You can only reduce it by clicking here or here, or you reduce it manually by clicking the middle. Okay, but the lowest you can do is 0.20. But if you want to do 0.01 or 0.05, in most of my video on smaller accounts, you see I normally follow my risk management and I normally use 0.05, 0.0. I will share this 20 into 4 places and I will use one part of it, which is 0.05. Okay, so if you want to use 0.05, what you need to do is to add. Either you manually add it here or you click here to add the one you want to use. So I want to use 0.05 on this trade. I'm going to add 1 2 3 4 5. You see where I'm clicking this place. Okay, now I've added I've added 5 on top to 0.20, which is making it 0.25. Now I'm going to place a trade. I'm going to place a trade as a sell. Okay, now if I sell this market at 0.25, I've even gone above the lowest lot size that binary is giving us. I've gone above it a little. I've added 5 on top of it. So I'm going to sell this market by clicking on sell here. So I'm going to sell it. Done. Immediately I sell it, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here and hold. Like I want to close the market. So when I click and hold, I'm going to click close position. When I click close position, now it will tell me to close the position on profit. Look at it here on this down here on profit. Okay, close with profit. But I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here to reduce it. Okay, mostly I'm going to click on this one here. So if I click on it, I'm going to click it. It's reduced to the lowest lot size. Then I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to close it. So when I close it, done. That means I've closed 0.20, either on profit or little loss in cents. Then I will not be left with 0.05. Okay. Now I'm left with 0.05. So it's 0.05 that will be running for me on my trade. It's as simple as that. Just rewind the video if you are getting it twisted. It's just simple as that. Just behave as if you want to close your trade. Then you click on this part here, this one here to reduce, or this one here to reduce to the lowest lot size. Then you close by clicking the down close button here, which is close with profit or a little loss set, but you must do it fast in case of spike. So I'm closing now. I've closed the whole trade. So thank you for watching this short video.